Mitsubishi has officially unveiled the refreshed Xpander Cross at the 2022 Gaikindo Indonesia International Motor Show. The design updates are similar, although the Xpander Cross still does feature unique embellishments that make it sportier and more rugged. The Xpander Cross follows the Xpander's size increases and now measures 4,595mm long, 1,790mm wide, and 1,750mm high. Ground clearance, on the other hand, remains at 225mm. The 2023 Xpander Cross features the newest iteration of the dynamic shield face, which is now connected to a more aggressive front clip. The bumpers are now chunkier, while the reshaped fender flares ride over the new 17-inch alloy wheels. All in all, the redesign looks to befit its SUV-like positioning. It also happens to get the same T-shaped head and tail lights lit by LEDs. The front fog lights are now lit by LEDs as well. Stepping into the cabin, the interior of the Xpander Cross 2023 is refined, changing some details to help the cabin become more modern, more futuristic. The 2023 Xpander Cross carries over the streamlined dashboard of the refreshed Xpander. It still features 3-row seating for 7 occupants with the same flexible configuration that allows for a balance between carrying passengers and cargo. The updated Xpander Cross has a new 8-inch LCD instrument cluster and a 9-inch touchscreen head unit with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. In addition, the MPV has adopted the 4-spoke steering wheel on the Monteros Sport and added wireless charging, digital climate control, and an electronic parking brake with auto brake hold function on its list of interior amenities. The MPV also has the refreshed Xpander's underseat luggage trays plus cup holders on the second row armrest and USB ports. For the suspension, the rigidity of the front strut mounting part is improved and the cylinder size of the rear shock absorber is expanded, while high-performance valves are newly adopted at both the front and rear to provide a smooth and comfortable ride. In terms of power, the new car will be equipped with a 1.5-liter naturally aspirated engine with a maximum power of 105 horsepower and a maximum torque of 141 Nm. The transmission system will be matched with a 5-speed manual transmission or a CVT stepless transmission. It is also worth mentioning that the new car adopts a front drive method and is equipped with Mitsubishi Active yaw control system.
Audio Jungle.